Do you want to grow your hair? In today's video, we will be looking at natural ways to grow your hair to your satisfaction. Your hair is said to be your crowning glory, and it's normal to want to grow your hair to your satisfaction. Growing your hair using natural means is the best solution to hair problems with no side effects, compared to a chemical remedy with many harmful side effects. So, here are 5 proven and most effective home remedies that stimulate faster hair growth and enhancement when applied to the hair and scalp. Onion juice. Onion juice is one of the best and oldest remedies for hair growth. It contains sulfur that boosts collagen production in the tissues, helping to promote hair growth. Though onion has a strong smell, it goes away after rinsing the hair. Egg mask. Egg mask helps to ensure quicker natural hair growth. An egg is rich in protein and is also high in sulfur, iron, selenium, zinc, phosphorus, and iodine, which help stimulate new hair growth. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is the most effective remedy for natural hair growth. It is rich in iron, potassium, and essential fats which makes hair grow healthier. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel also helps to stimulate natural hair growth. Aloe vera gel helps soothe the scalp, conditions hair, reduces dandruff, unblock hair follicles, promoting healthier hair growth. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar cleanses the scalp and helps the hair maintain its pH balance, boosting hair growth. Also, apple cider vinegar gives your hair a brightening look. So these home remedies will help you grow healthier, stronger hair that will reduce breakages at the ends, promoting hair length. When washing your hair, opt for sulfate-free shampoo and minimize the use of hot tools, which can seriously damage your hair fiber. Hope we have contributed to informing you. Please subscribe and like the video for more health tips and recipes. You can leave a comment and share the video with your friends. Thank you.